Hello and welcome to Cambridge Motors, established in 1959 here at the same address in Plumstead, London. Here we have for sale a petrol hybrid automatic Toyota C-HR. This is self-charging, so you don't need to do anything else other than just put fuel in and drive. It's only had one owner from new with full Toyota service history. It's in great condition inside and out. This is the Top-Spec XL model. Finished in a real nice metallic grey. This model comes with front parking sensors, side parking sensors because it has a self-park system, park assist, diamond cut alloy wheels, keyless entry exit, 2 keys with this car, full leather heated seats, quite nice like a two-tone dash here. Courtesy glass or sun protection glazing, so the rear glass is heavier tinted than the fronts. Plenty of room in the back here, 3 seat belts. A generous boot size on these, plenty of room there. There is a little bit more storage under here if you needed it. Comes with a parts and labour guarantee. Okay. Has 4 electric windows and power folded heated mirrors. Auto lights, wipers and auto lights. It's a push button start. Once you're in the car, you press the button and it will liven up. Comes with all the book packs. As I say, this one's got full Toyota history. Has dual climatic air conditioning, so you can have the temperature left to right different to each other. Also has heated seats, 3, 2 and 1 setting on both sides. Comes with a voice command Bluetooth system and cruise control. This one has a collision prevention and lane assist. Also comes with a parking camera, so you've got sensors and camera on this one, both. There's a DAB radio as well, so a DAB radio. Also this one has navigation built in, so all your maps are there. Auto tint mirror. Toyota is extremely reliable. We find this model to be exceptional on reliability, but as I say, you've got the warranty peace of mind just in case. But if there's any questions or anything you'd like to know, please don't hesitate to either email or call. Many thanks.